Hello students, today we'll discuss some important Java questions. Okay, that are very much important for your BSc Computer Science. Okay, academics, especially many more students have these Java subject in their SY levels. Okay, second year levels. Okay, so we'll see this. We'll go through this all questions. I have jotted some 21 questions. Okay, and we'll see that these are very much basic questions. So one should know these things. Okay, so these all are actually students practical program questions. Okay, in practicals you should know this, and if you're writing your theory also, then also you have to remember or should know the syntax or the logic behind the concept. If they asked write a program to find the reverse of a user input string or some interest calculating thing or some Fibonacci series to type or print Fibonacci series, then you should know these all these things. Okay, so you should actually in the interviews also they used to ask these simple programs. Okay, when you passed out your BSc Computer Science course, then also after some big IT companies, when you face across the interview session under aptitude and all, they will give you the, you can say, the programs, and they will let you find out the errors or the sequential steps and all for these programs and the output also. Okay, then they will give you some programs, and from that you have to find the output. Okay, so these all we will discuss in this video. So till then, you subscribe this channel for more such videos. Okay, and for computer science, BSc IT and all, this channel is for yours only. Okay, and we'll start this. Please like this video and share it with your friends, students. So here we go, students. The first question, you can say a Java program to display a welcome message. It is a basic thing. Okay, it will not ask in your exam and all, but it is a you can say silly ABCD type question if you are studying Java subject language. Okay, now the second, it comes from the second, that is add two numbers and display the sum, then multiply two numbers. I will go faster for this because else the video will be elongated and you will be get bored. So I have jotted the screen. You can take the screenshot also. Okay, we'll discuss some part. Okay, whether inputted character program to input character vowel or consonant, that is A, E, I, O, U. These all, you know that these all are vowels and all. Okay, so this is a special program, a basic program, you can say. Then calculate simple interest. Okay, compound interest, this all. Okay, then Java program, sixth, entered word or format is a palindrome or not. This is very much important question. Actually, this question in the form in C programming, C plus programming also they used to ask. Okay, if you are in a FY, okay, and listening this video, then also it will definitely helpful to you, because this question is it asks actually in all the programming language, that is .NET and Python, and you can say C programming, C++, Java, and all these common programs. And especially the interviews also, they used to ask in of any platform, like the concept they are interested in, that is what is palindrome or not. Sorry, what is a given number is a palindrome or not, or what is the concept of palindrome, like that. Then reverse of a user input string. Okay, the string they have given and you have to reverse it out. Then factorial of a given number using recursion method. Okay, recursion is a very much important concept in your theoretical part. If you if they ask that it's recursion method or recursion concept, then you have to you can say jot here that factorial program over there, because that was the nice example for that. Then write a Java program for Fibonacci, that I told. Fibonacci is also. Then program to check whether entered number is an Armstrong number or not. Okay, that also important, Armstrong concept. Okay, later on I will discuss all these programs and how to write these programs, or how these concept works. I will explain you all these things in this channel. So till then, you can subscribe this channel for that updated videos and all. But slowly I will update it out. Okay, in this channel. So then again, the 11th question, write a program to get IP addresses using INET address. Important, Floyd's triangle. Okay, the what is Floyd triangle, I will laterly let you know in this channel. Then string handling functions. Then demonstrate the use of derived template module and all, class using template model. Then write a Java program that implements hierarchical inheritance concept and all, and Java program using try catch block. Okay, then demonstrate mouse listeners. Okay, listener interface, mouse listener, these listener they are much more important. If you tell students this if you let me know that in comments and all that you need all these programs to be explained and jotted in the video sections, then I will definitely make the videos for the same. If you comment me, definitely I will do that. Okay, so the 18th question, that is write a Java program to demonstrate the virtual function, usage of virtual function. This is also very much important. If they ask the concept of theory in virtual functions, then you should write a small program for make the marks completion for that, and let know the examiner that you understood the concepts very well. So after that, 19th question, write a Java program to develop the client server methodology using socket and server socket. This is most important in the you can say networking concept it comes. Okay, then question number 20, that is write a Java program into multiple inheritance, that inheritance pass only, that is example of student faculty template, you can use it out. Okay, multiple inheritance. Then the last question, write a Java program that implements single inheritance and all. Okay, these hybrid inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, single inheritance, multiple inheritance, these all are various types of inheritance. Okay, this the in the exams they used to ask this all. Okay, and in interviews also. So till then I will wrap up this video over here. Many more questions are there, but I thought that to make this video simpler and shorter, I have jotted 21 more questions apart from others. So if you tell, then I will definitely upload all the remaining questions, and you can say the solutions for this also. And this channel is for BSc Computer Science IT students, so subscribe this channel, and like this video and share it to with this your friends, students and all. Till then I will wrap up. Thank you students, thanks a lot.